We're back, aren't we? We're back. Those holidays went awfully quickly. I didn't get much of a holiday at all. I was marking and results processing, and now we're back for another term. Never stops, does it? Here, fun place to be. Okay, well, welcome to Company and Association Law, and my name is Robert Fisher. I'm the course coordinator for the first 6 weeks of the course at least, and at that stage Dr. Christy Richardson returns from leave, and Christy will be looking after the course coordinator duties for the last part of the term. My friend here is called Robo-Lawyer, and he's assisted me in the delivery of a number of courses to students for the last couple of years. What we want to talk to you about briefly is the first week's topic of partnership, and a few things about the course in general. Now, it's very important you go to the course web page, because up there on the course web page we've got lots of resources which are available for you, and including PowerPoints which you can save and then print out. Now, that's right, Robo-Lawyer, it's an open book exam, so yes, people can take their PowerPoint downloads in, they can take their textbooks, they can take their study guides, anything they like, because it's an unrestricted open book exam. Yes, that's right, they can even write on it, and they can highlight it, and they can put stickers all through their materials to help them in the exam. We cover about 11 different modules in this course, and the first module is on the law of partnership. Now, that's important because a partnership, Robo-Lawyer, is different from a company or a corporation, which we spend most of the time in the course looking at the law as it applies to corporations. Few key ideas about a partnership. A partnership is not a separate legal entity. The liability of the partners is unlimited. That means partners can lose their own individual assets to satisfy judgment creditors, even if the partner, or that particular partner, didn't incur the liability, if the liability was incurred as part of the partnership. So there are specific rules about the operation of partnership. For example, first thing you look at is the partnership agreement, and then if the points aren't clear, then you go and look at the relevant Partnership Act. Now, each of the states and territories has its own Partnership Act. There are slight differences between them, and then if you still aren't sure, that's when you look at the common law, the decided court cases, which may give you an idea of a suitable response to the question you're wondering about. So there are some areas of uncertainty with partnership. It's been around for a long time as a business structure, and it's certainly very useful. It's got a lot of, some advantages, but the main disadvantage is the unlimited liability of the individual partners. Well, so why have we got all these big law partnerships and accounting partnerships, Robo-Lawyer? Robo-Lawyer wants to know that why would anyone go into partnership if that's the way? Well, they have insurance, Robo-Lawyer. They pay insurance premiums to cover those sorts of losses. Now, sometimes the insurance premiums aren't enough. Some partnerships have been dissolved. Big accounting partnerships have been dissolved at different times, yes, even when they've had judgments against them. So it's very important. There's a number of key ideas set out there, and if you read the material it's the Pearson supplementary material which has been prepared. It's based on the chapter out of business law, and it sets the law out fairly well there. At the moment I'm working on trying to get some overheads which accompany partnership up. Otherwise I'll pop up some which I've used in other courses as well. That gives you an idea of what's available with the partnership. and we'll try to get some answers to those review questions. We've got answers to most of the review questions up there already, but certainly, yes, go in, have a look at the course web page, attend your classes, and we'll try to keep we'll do it each week for the people. You want us to do it each week because you think they might like you, or robo-lawyer, becoming I don't know what you think a media star or something. That's because you're on YouTube as well, are you? Old robo-lawyers on YouTube. Look, I think we've said enough today, robo-lawyer. What we'll say is goodbye, and we'll catch up with you again next week. Say goodbye, robo-lawyer. Goodbye, everyone.